What's up and welcome back, it's TFTest channel. Today I'm hands-on and camera testing Vivo S5. Guys, Vivo today announced a new smartphone, it's named Vivo S5. New design, also new camera pattern. It's a main camera, it's a 48 megapixel, its a price is 12,000 in Indian rupees. How is its camera quality and perform? Everything review on this video. Okay, first full overview of this device. The display is a 6.44 inches Full HD resolution AMOLED display. Also in-display fingerprint supported this device. On the display top side is the punch hole notch here. It's a punch hole inside 32 megapixel front facing camera here. Very small punch hole design. Right? It's cool. This phone processor is a Snapdragon 712. It's normally Vivo C5X and C5 processor. It's a good and best gaming processor. This phone running on the Android 10 FunTouch OS latest version built in. Also, this phone here in the top side is the 3.5mm headphone jack. The phone back side is the and this phone made not a glass, it's a plastic, it's mean plastic design, but its quality is really good. Also the color is very impressive. Quad camera and the Vivo branding here. This phone main camera, it's a 48 megapixel main camera. It's really awesome. Yes guys, its main camera is 48 megapixel. Secondary is a 8 megapixel ultra wide and 5 megapixel depth sensor, 2 megapixel macro sensor. What do you think, guys? It's a 12,000 price and Snapdragon 712 on the 48 megapixel main camera. Its camera quality is good or not? Let's watch the camera samples.
我感觉他好爽呀！我天，我的天，他为什么被撸的会这么爽？我的妈！